If you're looking for that perfect liquid blush that gives you a natural, dewy flush, you're in the right place. Liquid blushes are fantastic for adding a soft, buildable color to your cheeks, and today we're going to review 5 of the best liquid blushes on the market. Whether you're after a subtle glow or a bold pop of color, we've got options for you. Let's dive in and help you find your next favorite liquid blush. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out. Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush has taken the beauty world by storm, offering a range of shades perfect for any skin tone. This liquid blush is celebrated for its buildable, lightweight texture that blends effortlessly into the skin, providing a radiant finish. The formula is designed to melt into the skin for a natural flush, and it's a must-have for those who love a fresh, glowy look. Key features: the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out blush features a cream-to-water formula that provides a smooth and even application. The product is highly pigmented, but its buildable nature allows you to control the intensity of the color. It's available in a wide array of shades, from soft pinks to deep, berry tones, catering to various skin tones. Plus, it's infused with nourishing ingredients, ensuring your skin feels hydrated and comfortable all day. Benefits and usage: one of the standout benefits of this blush is its versatility. The creamy formula can be used for both a natural flush or a more intense, bold look. Simply dab a small amount onto the apples of your cheeks and blend out with your fingers or a brush. Its lightweight formula ensures it doesn't feel heavy, even when built up. It's also perfect for those who love a dewy finish, giving you a youthful, radiant glow. Usability: Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out is incredibly easy to use. Its creamy consistency blends seamlessly into the skin, making it perfect for quick application on busy mornings. You can apply it with your fingers for a more natural look, or use a makeup sponge or brush for a more precise application. The product is long-lasting, and its compact design makes it great for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability: Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out is known for its impressive staying power. Once applied, it stays put for hours without fading or streaking, even in hot or humid conditions. Whether you're wearing it for a full day at work or a night out, this blush will maintain its vibrant color and dewy finish, ensuring you look fresh throughout the day. In the second spot, we have Glossier Cloud Paint. Glossier Cloud Paint is a fan-favorite liquid blush that offers a light, airy texture for a natural, flush of color. Known for its easy-to-blend formula, Cloud Paint has become a go-to blush for makeup lovers who want a subtle, soft finish. Its sheer texture provides a buildable finish, and it's perfect for anyone who loves that effortless, no-makeup look. Key features: Glossier Cloud Paint is made with a gel cream formula that feels light and breathable on the skin. The product comes in a sleek tube with a precision tip, making it easy to control how much product you apply. Cloud Paint is highly pigmented, but its sheer formula allows for a buildable finish, so you can control the intensity of your blush. It's also available in a variety of shades, from soft peaches to rosy pinks. Benefits and usage: Cloud Paint's unique formula is perfect for those who want a subtle pop of color that doesn't feel too heavy. It's easy to apply and can be blended effortlessly with your fingers, making it a quick and convenient option for busy mornings. You can build up the color for more intensity, or keep it light for a natural flush. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend it outward for a seamless look. Usability: Glossier Cloud Paint is a dream to use, especially for makeup beginners. The gel cream texture makes it easy to work with, and it blends beautifully into the skin. The formula doesn't settle into fine lines, and it creates a soft, dewy finish. Plus, the packaging is compact and user-friendly, making it great for travel and on-the-go touch-ups. Durability: Cloud Paint's staying power is impressive, lasting for several hours without fading or settling into fine lines. While it may not last as long as some cream blushes, its blendability ensures that it wears well throughout the day. It's perfect for those who prefer a more natural, flushed look that stays fresh for the majority of the day, even through humidity and sweat. Coming in at number 3 is the NARS Liquid Blush. NARS Liquid Blush is a luxurious, long-wearing liquid blush known for its stunning color payoff and radiant finish. This liquid blush offers a lightweight formula that provides buildable, seamless coverage. Whether you're going for a soft flush or a bold statement, NARS Liquid Blush delivers the perfect amount of color, making it a favorite among beauty enthusiasts. Key features: the NARS Liquid Blush features a lightweight, buildable formula that provides intense pigmentation with just a small amount of product. The formula is designed to blend effortlessly, providing a natural, dewy finish. It's available in a variety of stunning shades, from soft peachy pinks to deeper berry tones. The blush is infused with a unique blend of ingredients that hydrate and nourish the skin, ensuring a comfortable, long-lasting wear. Benefits and usage: one of the key benefits of NARS Liquid Blush is its versatility. The product can be applied sparingly for a subtle hint of color, or layered for a more intense flush. The formula blends seamlessly, leaving behind a smooth, radiant finish. Apply it with your fingers or a brush, focusing on the apples of your cheeks, and blend it outward for a fresh, natural look. It's perfect for both daytime wear and special occasions. Usability: NARS Liquid Blush is easy to use and blend, making it suitable for both beginners and makeup pros. Its buildable formula allows you to control the intensity of the color, while the packaging ensures precise application. The lightweight texture makes it comfortable to wear, and the blush doesn't feel heavy or greasy. Whether you're using it for a light wash of color or a bolder look, it's a breeze to work with. Durability: NARS Liquid Blush offers impressive longevity, staying in place for up to 12 hours without fading. The blush doesn't settle into fine lines, and it maintains its vibrant color throughout the day. It's resistant to humidity and sweat, making it an excellent choice for long days or nights out. You can expect a flawless finish from morning to night with minimal touch-ups required. Taking our fourth spot is Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. The Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand is a luxurious liquid blush that combines the benefits of a highlighter and blush in one. Designed to give you an effortlessly glowing, sculpted look, this product is perfect for those who want to add both a flush of color and a subtle highlight to their cheeks. Its lightweight formula provides buildable coverage, making it suitable for a variety of looks. Key features: the Beauty Light Wand features a unique cushion applicator that allows for precise, mess-free application. The product has a velvety texture that blends smoothly into the skin, leaving behind a soft, radiant finish. It's available in various shades, each designed to enhance your natural complexion. The blush also contains light-reflecting particles that give the skin a luminous glow without being too sparkly. Benefits and usage: this blush is ideal for those who want a multitasking product that adds both color and glow. Its buildable formula allows you to control the intensity of the color, while the light-reflecting particles provide a soft, radiant finish. The Beauty Light Wand can be applied directly to the cheeks using the cushion applicator, then blended with your fingers or a makeup sponge for a seamless look. It's perfect for creating that fresh, lit-from-within glow. Usability: Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The cushion applicator allows for precise and controlled application, ensuring you don't waste product. The formula blends effortlessly into the skin, and the radiant finish gives your complexion a youthful, glowing appearance. The packaging is sleek and elegant, adding a touch of luxury to your beauty routine. Durability: this blush has impressive staying power, lasting for several hours without fading or settling into fine lines. The formula stays fresh and luminous throughout the day, maintaining its glow without looking oily or greasy. Whether you're wearing it for a full day or just a few hours, Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wand provides a lasting, radiant finish. And finally, at number 5, we have Benefit Cosmetics Benetint. Benefit Cosmetics Benetint is a cult classic liquid blush that has been adored by beauty lovers for years. Known for its natural, flush of color, this liquid blush is perfect for those who want a lightweight, buildable formula that delivers a subtle yet long-lasting tint. Its unique formula also doubles as a lip stain, making it a versatile product for your makeup routine. Key features: Benetint's formula is a liquid tint that provides a sheer, natural-looking blush. It's highly pigmented, so just a few drops are enough to create a beautiful flush of color. The product dries quickly and doesn't feel sticky, making it perfect for those who need a quick and easy blush option. Its compact packaging makes it easy to carry around for touch-ups throughout the day. Benefits and usage. Benetint is perfect for those who want a natural, flushed look that lasts all day. It can be applied directly to the cheeks and blended out with your fingers or a brush for a seamless finish. Its buildable formula allows you to control the intensity of the color, so you can go from a subtle tint to a more intense flush. The product is also versatile, doubling as a lip stain for a coordinated, monochromatic look. Usability. Benefit Cosmetics Benetint is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Its liquid formula allows for precise application, and the product blends seamlessly into the skin. The formula dries quickly, so you don't have to worry about it moving around once it's on your skin. Whether you're applying it to your cheeks or lips, it's a one-stop solution for a natural flush of color. Durability. Benetint is known for its incredible staying power. It doesn't fade or streak throughout the day, even in hot and humid conditions. Its long-lasting formula ensures that your blush stays in place all day, and it doesn't require frequent touch-ups. Whether you're going to work, hitting the gym, or heading out for the night, Benetint will keep you looking fresh. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a fan of subtle blushes or bold flushes, these 5 liquid blushes are some of the best options on the market today. From Fenty Beauty's buildable cream formula to Glossier's natural, easy-to-use blush, there's something for everyone. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect liquid blush for your routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews.